Good morning, Steve. This is Kevin. I'm going to make this video for you. I think it'll help you. First of all, I'm at Starbucks, so if there's some background noise, I apologize. So the first thing you need to do is come over to faculty and staff, come to the Student Learning Outcomes site, and since your EMS program, comprehensive program review is due by November 15th, you also have to have your PLOs completed, and you have to have the alignment map completed. Let's go through each of those individually and in order. So first of all, you're going to go to SLO PLOs by division. You are in the Health and Public Safety division, so click there. There are some links here, but what I want to do is start with go to schedule planned completed SLOs and PLOs. Let's go there first. So since you are going to do your next comprehensive review in fall of 22, we need to have the cycle plan ahead of time for accreditation purposes. So what you'll want to do is scroll down to, excuse me here one second, it's still loading, sorry about that. Here we go. So let's scroll down to, where is EMS? Hold on, did I go by it? Excuse me one second. Oh, here we are. So here's your fire technology. So your, why do I have fire technology firefighter? Where's your EMS? Hold on a second here. Here we, emergency medical services. Here we are. So what you're going to do is notice that the fall 19, that's when your program learning outcomes and your comprehensive program review are both have to be completed by November 15th. They both have to be completed because the program learning outcomes form will be attached or go along with your comprehensive program review. Don't worry about that. Once I get a copy of it, I can attach it or send it to Jose so it coincides or helps buttress the comprehensive program review. But what you need to do here, please, is enter the assessment tool that you're going to use for your PLOs, or that you did use for your PLOs. And it can be like a state licensure test, or in the English department we use 2 courses that we evaluate. Okay. Then up here, if you notice, all of your courses are here, and they need to be planned out. You can make changes to this later, but so starting in the fall of 19 or spring of 20, when do you want your, let's say EMT 107, when do you want your guys or your, I should say women too, when do you want them to assess this? So if you're going to say spring of 20, I would do both SLOs for each course. So if you have 2 here for this course, do them both in the spring. And then once they're completed in the spring, I can come here and write completed. Now if you choose spring of 20 and I don't get any data for this, I'm going to come looking for you and say, look, you said you were going to do this on the spring of 20, but I don't have it completed. So then you can tell me what's going on, what happened. We need to do this for accreditation purposes. They want us to know what is going to be assessed and when, and if it has been truly completed. So for here on this form, please just click the cycle plan for all the classes and then enter the PLO assessment form that you will use. Okay, and again, that's on the website. Next, I want to look at the alignment map before we go to the PLO form, which is here. So your alignment map I sent to you in an email. So what you're going to do is, here are your PLOs, and then you have Introduce, Expand, and Advanced. I also sent you a copy of the English, but what you want to do is take a look at Emergency Medical Technician SLO 1, 2, and 3. What program learning outcome are these assessments hitting? So if it's hitting, like say number 1 is hitting PLO 1 and 3, if you're just introducing it, put an I and an I. And what ILOs are they hitting? Excuse me, I went way too far. So the ILOs are here. So if your SLO 1 for this first course here is hitting 1 and 3, just put an X, ILO 1 and 3. So you're going to go and you're going to do this for all of these classes. Now, it might, so here you are. So do this now, get them finished, and then save it, send it to me, but then the next time you do it, you already have the map completed, and the only thing we need to do is make changes if there are changes in the course material. So that's the alignment map. Let me get out of here. Now the alignment map is going to, I'm back on the website, SLO Division, Health and Public Safety, and now here's the PLO assessment form. Click on here. Program being assessed, department chair, who is completing the form, email, all of this. And if you notice, when you toggle over the boxes, I give you ideas of what information should be included in here. And then once you're finished, you submit it, I'll get a copy and you'll have a copy. And then where can you find this? Well, you'll have a copy of it, but I will also put, let me close this out. And I didn't want to do that, darn it. Excuse me one second. So again, once that form is submitted, I will get that, and I should have your alignment map. Then here, where am I? Here it says collected PLO data, collected PLO forms and alignment maps for the 19 CPRs. So when you send that to me and you need a copy of it, or if Jose needs a copy or the state needs a copy of it, they can click here. And notice that art history, PLO and map, and student arts, PLO and map are here. Once yours is finished, I'll put it here in alphabetical order for quick retrieval. Let me close this down. And then here's this checklist. If you click here, this is for me, so I can see what departments have completed the alignment map, who has done the PLO form for this time, who has done the cycle plan, and the PLO, the PLO assessment tool entered. So all of this should be completed, and I keep it for my records for the state. So again, it seems like a lot, but you'll be fine. So you have to do the schedule of plan, click the semester that you want it to be done in, add the PLO assessment tool. Then come up here once you're ready, complete the PLO assessment form. I'll get a copy, you'll get a copy. The assessment form and the alignment map will be kept here for easy retrieval. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you still want to meet, please let me know. But I think this will help you a lot. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.